to tell the story of how Waffles got lost in the woods. It was a sunshine, bacon and waffles kind of morning, and Waffles wagged her tail to start the day. She stretched her paws and spun in a dizzy circle. But up on a fence jumped a big, bushy squirrel. Waffles walked over to say hi to the squirrel before anyone could say, "Stay in the yard!" She had already zoomed under the fence and into the woods. The floor smelled like pine and mystery. Waffles heard the squirrel's chatter and took off, chasing it deeper into the woods. Oh no! No fence, no house, just trees, 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 and more trees. She took a deep breath and realized she was all on her own. She came to where the path divided. She didn't know which route to take. A bird was nearby. She thought it chirped to go to the right. But Waffles decided to go on the path that had more light. The squirrel was back and dropped an acorn. It wanted to distract Waffles. Waffles said, "I'm not falling for that again." She came to where she saw 3 trees in a row. Landmarks help us remember. Then she had an idea. She put a paw print in the dirt. That way she can remember her path. Waffles came to a stream. She didn't want to get wet, but she knew she had to get to the other side. Waffles saw something coming. It was a butterfly, and it landed on her nose. "I can't let this distract me," said Waffles. Now it was time to find some landmarks. First, she found a bendy birch tree. Then she came to a heart-shaped stump. Up next was a rock somebody painted a rainbow on. But then there were no more landmarks that she recognized.
Well, hello there, little one.
Luckily, she came to a friendly forest ranger. The ranger said, "Are you lost?" And Waffles nodded yes. The ranger showed Waffles a star and said, "You are here. Just follow the path, look for the landmarks, and you should be home in no time." Waffles followed the clues and went back across the stream. The squirrel squeaked and said, "Come chase me." But Waffles knew she had to focus on getting home. And down the path she ran for what seemed like forever. And there it was, the fence. Waffles ran towards me and I scooped her up. I told her she should never go into the woods by herself. After that big day, she curled up on the porch and took a nap. Waffles dreamed of squirrels playing in the woods. But she knew she had to think before she chased. And that was the story of the day Waffles got lost in the woods. Now stay tuned for our special song.
It's morning time and guess who's ready? Waffles is up and tail is steady. Spin in a circle, wiggle that tail. Zoom in the yard, follow the trail. Then what's that? A fluffy pence. A squirrel appears up on the fence. Waffles thought, should I stay? But her paw said, nope, let's play. Go Waffles go, 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 go. Sniff she gives a cheer. Step, step, splash, streams in sight. The path is clear, the sun is bright. Lost asked a ranger, kind and cool. Follow the map, you've got the tools. Waffles nodded, brave and small. I remember landmarks, I know them all. Go Waffles go, 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 go. Tail held high and full of glow. Learning fast and stealing shows. Brave explorer, go Waffles go, 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 go. Home is close, just past that row. Through the gate and on we go. Brave explorer, go Waffles go. Adventure done, she takes a nap. Dreams of trails and squirrel traps. Waffles learned, and now she knows. Smart pups pause before they go. Go, 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 go. Let's pilot high. Yeah! Put on my sweater and zipped it tight. Grabbed the rake, the sun was bright. 3 pups wagging by my side. Time to rake this yard with pride. 1 pile here, 1 pile there. Leaves are flying everywhere. A jump, a bark, a tail goes by. Let's pilot high and watch it fly. Pilot high, toss 'em up. Watch the leaves do a twisty jump. Crunchy boots and waggy trails. Pumpkin air and flying tails. We laugh, we play, we zoom, we try to pilot high to the sky. One dog's chewing on the rake, another's rolling like it's a cake. My little one just stole my glove, but I don't mind, it's fall I love. Leaves on my hair, paws on the ground. We spin, we hop, we roll around. Sniff the wind and chase the breeze. We're autumn kids with dirty knees. Pilot high, toss 'em up. Watch the leaves do a twisty jump. Golden reds and orangey skies. All our laughs are pumpkin sized. We wiggle, dance and leap up high. Then pilot high, one more try. Sun gets low, it's time to rest. Pups curl up, they try their best. We made a mess, a leafy sea, and that's just perfect. Works for me.